Hi kids! Today we'll learn about animals with no bones. They are called invertebrates. They live in water, soil, or fly in the air. Ready? Let's go! Ant. Ants are tiny insects. They live in big groups called colonies. Ants carry food together. They work hard all day. Bee. Bees fly from flower to flower. They make sweet honey in hives. Bees have black and yellow stripes. They help plants grow. Ladybug. Ladybugs have red wings with black spots. They eat small bugs like aphids. Ladybugs are gentle and helpful. They live in gardens and trees. Snail. Snails move very slowly. They carry a shell on their back. Snails like dark and wet places. They leave a slimy trail behind. Earthworm. Earthworms live under the soil. They have soft, long bodies with no legs. Worms help plants by turning the soil. They come out when it rains. Spider. Spiders have 8 legs. They spin webs to catch insects. Spiders live in houses, trees, and gardens. Some spiders are big, some are small. Butterfly. Butterflies have colorful wings. They drink nectar from flowers. Butterflies fly gently in the air. They come from caterpillars. Caterpillar. Caterpillars have soft, fuzzy bodies. They eat green leaves all day. Caterpillars crawl slowly. One day, they become butterflies. Scorpion. Scorpions have 2 claws and a stinging tail. They hide under rocks and in sand. Most scorpions come out at night. Some can glow in the dark. Crab. Crabs walk sideways on the beach. They have hard shells and strong claws. Crabs live in water or near the shore. They can hide under rocks. Shrimp. Shrimp live in oceans and rivers. They have many legs and a long body. Shrimp swim backward quickly. People often eat shrimp as food. Squid. Squids live deep in the ocean. They have long arms with suckers. Squids can shoot out ink. They swim fast to escape danger. Octopus. Octopuses have 8 arms. They are smart and curious animals. Octopuses can change color to hide. They live in caves under the sea. Clam. Clams live inside hard shells. They stay buried in sand or mud. Clams open and close their shells. They live quietly underwater. Jellyfish. Jellyfish live in the ocean. They have soft, jelly-like bodies. Some jellyfish can sting. They float gently in the water. Beetle. Beetles have hard, shiny shells. They come in many colors and sizes. Some beetles can fly. They live in forests, gardens, and fields. Grasshopper. Grasshoppers have long legs for jumping. They live in fields and gardens. Grasshoppers eat leaves and grass. They make a chirping sound. Termite. Termites live in big groups. They eat wood and build tunnels. Termites hide inside walls or trees. Some termites build tall mud homes. Starfish. Starfish have 5 arms. They live on the ocean floor. Starfish move slowly using tiny feet. They can grow back a lost arm. Wasp. Wasps have thin bodies and yellow stripes. They can sting if they feel danger. Wasps build paper-like nests. They eat bugs and sweet things.